night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all
Thank you so much, Marie and Christian.
We're built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with it.
So yun guys, yung palang pinuntahan namin kanina, Baby Mountain daw. Mas matarik daw yung daddy. Ama, intay mo yung mami. Mas matarik. Yeah, bring it on. Yeah, bring it on. Ganda ng aking action wrist camera. Ang isang downside lang dito sa GoPro ko na to, hindi ko kita yung aking selfie mode. Pero okay lang, time will come, upgrade kita. Guys, makikita nyo, napapalibutan kami ng mountain. Mula doon, yeah, paikot here. Yeah, okay. Lupet. Time check, hindi ko alam, siguro mga alas 11. Another stopover guys, so continue walking. They waited for us. Oh my god. Alright.
It's too late to give up now.
Yeah.
Slowly, please.
Okay, bro. Bro. Alright. Wow, you speak Vietnamese very well. Hi.
Hello.
You need a hand? Alright.
Thank you.
Alright.
I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure.
They know that we're calling it love. It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
The best tour guide ever.
You got me let go, yeah. I think that we've all had enough.
You guys okay?
Yeah, good. Just chilling.
Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. I think that we've all had enough.
You know swimming, right?
Yes.
Yeah? Patong ko lang din eh.
Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Laman eh, laman.
I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm
So for guys, swimming, can you please? Can I borrow your helmet?
fucking buried in my grave, 6 feet deep under, but my
Okay, so now for guys, we're swimming, and I'm going to tell you about how to use helmet and headlight. About the helmet, there are two buttons on the back. Just spread and to open, and you can put on and close. And even when you no need tie, you shake, they will still stay on your hand. That is the right way. You can all just tie or not tie like this. You wear the wrong way. When swimming, your helmet will be like this. Will be like this. It's not good. And when you reach to the campsite, we have some coffee.
Yes.
Some tea. Make something to enjoy the campsite first.
body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display.
Okay, let's go.
Bye, Victor Pierre.
Bye guys. See you.
Yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of emergency. A
Poisonous. This one.
message for eternity for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care.
Kasama tayong dalawang tanong.
Kung hindi,
Hindi.
nakakahiya. Grabe ka. Yun nga guys. Buti may kasama kami may edad na. Kung hindi, nakakahiya. Oh. Ayun.
And what you think of me respectfully? You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy.
Bring it on, baby.
I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but
Oh shit. Yeah. Wow, malalim. Alright. Wow. Iba to. Mas maganda to. Walang ibang paraan. Makakaihi na. Kailangan ko na siyang kunan ngayon. Kasi bubuksan na ilaw. Man, this is the adventure we're talking about. Okay? Buksan na ilaw. Yeah! Full. Tingin ka sa lights. Wow, look at the scream. Nice. I love it. Jump! No. Oh yeah? You okay? Look at the camera. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Ito. Iniwan na ako dun Okay guys. This is it. Yeah. So, mawawala na tayo ng audio guys. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.